Hi. We did it. Oh my God, we did it. Didn't we?
Yes, we did.
We made it halfway through the year. Pushed through. And you're thinking, oh, what does July have in store for? It's America's holiday, 4th of July. And now we're back into semi-shutdown mode. But nonetheless, take it in stride. Put your head down, work hard, be the best person that you can be, and get it done. Get out there and work hard. So that's what we're doing over here at TDR Mortgage and Real Estate Group. We're grinding away. If you know anybody looking for a realtor, we're hiring real estate agents. If you know anybody looking for a realtor, if you're take two. No, just kidding. We don't do do-overs here. You just push through. So TDR Mortgage and Real Estate is hiring experienced real estate professionals and licensed loan officers and transaction coordinators. So if you know anybody looking for one of those positions, pass along this video. That would be awesome. My name is Teresa Timms. I'm president of TDR Mortgage and Real Estate Group in beautiful Upland, California, and I serve the entire Southern California market. I have a guest with me today, Ms. Olivia Degassi, my new mortgage partner. Say hello, Olivia.
Hi, everyone. Excited to be here.
Olivia is coming to us. She's a local gal. She's just getting back from
the Peace Corp. I was in Tonga.
Where she was
I was an English literacy facilitator.
So like an English teacher?
Yeah. English. Mm-hmm.
Did they
with the local teachers there?
In the Peace Corps, do you get paid to do that, or is that like
you get a stipend?
A small stipend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What qualified you to be an English teacher?
I have an elementary education degree.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, obviously I knew that. I'm pretending like I didn't know. So maybe I could have handled that differently.
Okay.
Anyway, today we're going to be talking about the market and just some pointers on what's going on and what to do. How can you prepare? How can you be better informed in the market? I think the biggest talk right now are rates. I mean, there's a huge opportunity for people. This is what I'm seeing. Okay. I'm seeing 30-year, 25 and 20-year rates almost exactly the same. The rates from 2.75 to 3%, rate and term, highly qualified, equity, paying points to have that rate. The loans where people are not paying points are in the low to mid threes. Again, high FICOs. I preached over a year ago that I knew the rates were going down. I thought I knew because Bruce Norris said, and Bruce Norris knows everything. And so because Bruce Norris said it was true, I believed it. Well, that in my own common sense and my own knowledge. So I was telling everybody, I really suggest you get your credit in the highest possible position. So when the rates go in the twos, you can take advantage of refinancing. That's still the case. So it's still not too late. If you have a 640, 650, I know some really, really great people, my credit guy, Sam Parker, that can help with getting those scores up to get that 2% rate. And what I'm seeing most people take advantage of, which I'm thrilled, is going from a 30-year, maybe you have a 30-year and you've been paying on it 4 years. And then you go down to a 20-year and maybe you save $100, but you just shaved off 6 years. People are saving over $100,000 and saving money on their monthly payment to get a rate in the twos. So that to me is like huge bang for your buck. For those people that can go down to a 15-year, I turned in a loan the other day where my gal, Ms. Marisol, I was gonna say her whole name, but I thought maybe I shouldn't. Ms. Marisol, a 2.25 on a 30-year fix. Her and her husband are young people. They're gonna have their house paid off when they're 45 years old. Like, to me, that is money, right? That is some legit real estate maneuvering. So let us show you the kind of things that you can have access to. And if you're an agent looking to partner with a mortgage broker, mortgage brokers have access to these wholesale rates. Right now, the VA, one of our biggest partners, partner that we adore, United Wholesale Mortgage, is offering mortgage brokers rates for veterans in the low twos, jumbos even. So we're really proud to partner with United Wholesale Mortgage and help the veteran community as well. And I think as far as rates go, I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. So the real estate
I'll say
market,
yes.
you say yes, you concur. The real estate market has not been hot since this hot since 2011, 2012, when it was almost impossible to get your offer accepted because there were multiple offers on every single property and there were all these investors paying cash. So flash forward to 2020, Stephen Thomas, somebody that I follow that has awesome, amazing data out of Orange County, does these reports. And he said that we have not had this low inventory since 2011. So that's what's going on, right? We have an extreme amount of shortage in the market as brought on by COVID. So people still don't want, people traipsing through houses. There's so much uncertainty in our market. It's hard to put your finger on what's happening, where we're going, or when it's going to happen. You just have to be ready for immediate pivots and change and be adaptable. And if you need to sell, I couldn't impress upon you how important it would be to get it done right now. The real estate profession, the real estate community has adapted to strict COVID rules, and to get out there and even look at property right now. Buyers that are out, they have to have a full package, a pre-approval package, which consists of proof of funds, pre-approval letter, and the desktop underwriter, automated underwriting approval from a lender before they will even let you access a house in most cases, right? That's what we're finding. So before it used to be to write an offer, now just to view the property. And there's strict protocol. You have to sign forms. It's never been more challenging to sell a house. It's never been more time consuming. The clear winner is the seller, because the time on market, the days on market is, I think, the lowest it's ever been. I don't want to quote exacts, but I'm always looking at stuff. And I think in San Bernardino County, Riverside County, I think it was like 30 days, 32 days, which is extremely, extremely low. So the takeaway for this, if you're going to be buying a house, and if it makes sense for you, by all means, do it. The rates are so low. If you're buying like a 450 house and the rate was 4.5 and now the rate's 3, that's a $500 a month savings that you can enjoy. So there's some pretty great benefits out there for people that can pull it off, but you have to be in a good position. You have to go in clean, not ask for closing cost, not do a buyer program. Sorry, buyers, sorry, people that, don't have the money set aside to execute a loan right now. Unfortunately, it may not be your time. It may be the case that you need to, I wish I could throw something at my dogs right now. This may be the time that you sit on the side, save money, and improve your credit. I said I wasn't going to go,
There's just so much, though.
So much so much me saying
No, so much information.
So much information, right? About forbearance. Let's talk forbearance. That's a biggie, right, people? So we talk about forbearance. Forbearance first came out. I said, don't do it. Don't do it unless you absolutely need to. And even then, really try not to. Forbearance is a major credit event. It impacts your credit. And when we were seeing people first go into these forbearances, it was dropping people's credit 100 points. Forbearance, there's so much information out there, a lot of it inconsistent. Here's what we know. Right now, forbearance is turning out not to be as bad as it was in the beginning. We're seeing forbearance hit people's credit and it not drop the scores. We're still seeing people put in forbearance very easily with a phone call or an inquiry. We're seeing people go into forbearance without signing or consenting to anything that they're in forbearance. So the intention was to make it super easy, and they are making it super easy. Forbearance coming out where people went in April, May, June. So this is going to be a very interesting month. What's going to happen at the end of June, which was just 2 days ago? Are people going to get letters? Are they going to get, is there going to be a silent second tacked onto their loan payable whenever they sell or refinance? Is there going to be that amount just added to the principal balance? What if What if some lenders want you to pay it back and you don't have the money to pay it back? Then what? Like right now, we don't know how it's being handled, but I am seeing people with forbearance on their credit that want to refinance. And the way that is turning out is if you're in forbearance, but you've made all your payments, which I'm like, if you made all your payments, why are you in forbearance? But some people got in it, but didn't need it or didn't know it and continue to make their payment. You can refinance. No harm, no foul. If you're in forbearance and you got caught up on all of your payments and your credit is intact, I have one source that will do that loan. One source that will do that loan. The Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the people that make the guidelines for the way that we do loans in the lending world, in the traditional lending world, they say that once you have caught up or satisfied your forbearance agreement and have paid your payments on time for 3 months, you can do a loan. So you're going to find a lot of inconsistency out there. A lot of lenders just don't know the guidelines because they simply don't read them. For the people that read them, we look at them and we're like, okay, how do you interpret this? And then you have to go call your different various, because I'm a mortgage broker, right? I'm a third party originator. I have relationships with all these different companies that support my activities to give my borrowers below market wholesale rates. So then I go check with all of my companies to find out how are they interpreting this guideline. Does their company have additional overlays? Maybe a company says, you know what? Yeah, that's great that Fannie Freddie say that, but we're going to take a more conservative approach. We're not going to refinance these people until they've been making payments for 6 months. So there's all kinds of stuff swirling around what's going to happen with forbearance. And check with me first, though. If you're thinking about forbearing, it's possible that we could refinance you, maybe even cash out, skip a couple payments, save $200 or $300 on the monthly mortgage. That's kind of a scenario that's been playing out quite frequently. We do have people that save $400, $500, $600, $700 a month, but the more frequent is lowering the time frame on the term of your mortgage, lowering the payment, and skipping a couple of months when possible. I think I covered everything. Olivia, what did I miss?
I feel good about it.
You feel good about it? Yeah, you feel like
more about me.
Olivia, how long have you been with TDR Mortgage and Real Estate?
5 weeks.
How do you find your boss?
She's okay. I'm just kidding. Well, tomorrow I'm getting a paid holiday. So, no, actually, I've really appreciated Teresa. She's been mentoring me and really just being patient with me. And it's been really great.
Well, you're an easy person to be patient with. Olivia has a really cute story, or an interesting story. I wouldn't call it cute. I think she's cute. She's adorable, charming, smart, super, super, super smart. And I couldn't be more pleased to have her join me. Olivia, you were teaching English in Tonga, right? Tell me about that.
Yeah, I was there for 2 years and I taught English elementary age kids. And I worked a lot with the teachers out there to build curriculum. And it was really neat.
And what qualified you to do that?
Just my degree, and then it's like a year-long application process and interviews and training, and yeah.
So you have a degree in
elementary education.
Is that like a bachelor's degree?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, look at you, Miss Smarty Pants. Anyway, I enjoy all your support in the community, everybody local. And if there's anything that I can do to help you, any business activities that you'd like me to promote on any of my social media channels, please feel free to reach out. I would be more than happy to do so. And if you could reciprocate, if you know anybody looking to buy, sell, or refinance in Southern California, think of my name, pass me along. You can find me on the web, tdrmortgage.com, or my other site, SoCalLoanPro.com. And happy 4th of July. We love you.